I have no fear. I am now fearless. Watch out.
Ginger's coming. She's bringing the heat.
When we started Evolation, we had no idea that 11 years later we would be doing this online, and we did not that you specifically would be here, but it's all still sort of by design. But the people who co-create with us, there's a lot of space for co-creation in Evolation.
It's pretty powerful. So for us, we seized upon it. The day that everybody was asked to leave a teacher training, we sat down and said, what the hell are we going to do? And the answer was put everything online immediately.
And I will leave you with one of my favorite quotes. I don't know who said it. It's a very common quote. Just be yourself. Everyone else is taken.